close it. Just stick it in the dumpling.
And bite it.
Yeah.
Right. So, yeah.
Yeah, bite it.
Doing your little thing at home. Fat again, but I not say nothing because I drought time now. St. Andrew's killing, first St. Andrew's killing. Fire, go on, Parry. Fire too much in the eat, yeah.
It's a good old-fashioned Jamaican breakfast. Yeah. In at the 5-star at the 5-star backyard.
Yes, I the jelly this year.
Whoa! You don't want your mother.
See people in here in Alan. St. Mary there in a Parry, you there back at St. Mary again.
Back in the St. Mary again, you know. Yeah,
But show see people in here.
They don't want the back here catch up some fun.
Yeah. You cook some goat head soup. Around the back, they never see the party yet.
We roast off the goat head now.
Yeah, if you make soup.
To make soup.
Yeah. So you say when you cook goat head soup, you go show them. I can go and boil up a little bit. The next hour and a half, 2, even ready, man. Eh. But there are no one that young busy tree that round this come up. Me see I look something like apple around there. So apple tree there. And that tree, what kind of tree? But show a nail up something.
Busy tree down in a gully, yeah?
Eh.
Mango tree. Exactly.
What kind of tree? And a coconut tree that down this island?
Yeah, man. Coconut tree that walk like
You see, I catch up on ground wood fire.
Ground wood fire, we have catch up on.
Yeah, alright. Man, me got gully. So if anything, I'll come more in the goat head soup start roll.
Start roll up, you know.
Yeah. Curry no there today, curry. The curry in another video, yeah.
Curry no there in another video, yeah.
So, Parry, me there a bush, yeah. Down a bush mouth, yeah. Me barefooted. See me there? See my foot? You see it? Me barefoot. 2 of them now them want do, but we not do 2 in a bush. So, me hope I St. Mary back again. Don't come here for yell them up now.
Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself.
Dad.
Big up everybody, big up.
Alright, me I walk the nice spring pass.
Spring pass.
Yeah, we are good on a spring. Spring I get shallow pan we, so we are go look. We have to go get and dig out. Drought up here, so we are go look for the one little spring now we left. We are go see if we can save it. Because this spring is serving a lot of communities, because some communities, them spring dry up. So these are the pass. Oh, Ina. And some people might not understand when me say when me mean by pass. But when we used to look at that country, Uncle Murphy, them and only could track. So we call them pass. Country people say pass. So we have see track here. Yeah, walk a good on here, so down High Spring. This is the only, I mean they come down here already, you see, in our prior videos. Wow, you're so cool. I drink water. See there? Them have to come dig. We have to come dig out this spring. Parry. I just this left in all of the adjoining communities. Right now this is serving about 5 or 6 communities. See there? See the water? Clean and pretty. Natural spring water come from under the earth. So you see when we are saying Uncle Murphy? I don't know it full up, so it used to be wider. You see all here, sir?
Yes.
You dig, you see when you dig? Yeah, man, a pure water underneath here, so. We are planning now, Parry, if you know, move with them stone there and get it dig. As you can see, it definitely just coming up. This is what you call spring water. And build it up and, you know, rake with them trash there from up at the top. And all of them something there. Cut off the wisdom. This is the tree over the spring. It keep the spring so cool. It's like a mango tree. It's there for years, you know, Uncle Murphy. So you keep this water.
Yes.
Yo, you see when you take up some of this now and drink it, man, it's like a heaven.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sweet water and nice.
Not even, no man, if you ever go over and put this pan in the fridge, man, you know, stop drink. So, we are planning to come back one day, Pari, when everything's straighten up. And we are going to be widening the spring because everywhere else, all of the spring, them, right around the community, them here, them dry up. People will live up here, a good thing, so some of them drive. People have to come with them van and up a thing and just right here, serving, maybe what, Newport, Top Mountain, Lewisburg, all of them people there. Back up, I don't know what you call around there, so, I remember what you call out the road there, Richmond Grass, all of them place there. And people who are watch that video, they know say I'm me Debbie, I know when me attack when me call the community, my this little spring, down in a few little gully here, at this a serving now. So we want to see if we can dig it out and go further to make people can get water. This is the only help we have up here now, as water. So let me give you a better view, Paris. That rock there, this is where the water coming from under the rock. So it want dig out and we want to come right up so that a dad foot and widen it come to up there. So this was how it was in the back then when I was a little girl. So this is our natural spring water coming up from underneath the rock. See it? So you see through them have here so. You see how you're so high? Them shouldn't have here so high. Them should dig off right there so. Flatten it and then the water will just, you know, take back its course.
What happened at the dirt? Come
Yeah, it want to clean. It want to, all this year so where them have black up there so. A pure water right there so. Uncle Murphy foot. Yeah, dig it out. So when we come back, we are going to come deal with that. And we are going to show you how we are doing it and how it look. Yeah man. At this left to serve all our community them. So Pari, we underneath one eat it out here, out to eat the apple tree, it bloom, blossom. So the blossom them there. And all of the people, you take the time, you young people, you old people, them say, you don't want the apple in feet. You take off the apple blossom them and comment guys and tell me, Marco and all of the guy. Dwight, tell me if you know about them something there. Dwight cooking it's Dwight cooking show, Dwight and Marco. Any one of the male them who know. When you take the apple blossom and put one at one end, and the little fine the small size bamboo, and put one at the other end, and then you take the small and push it through, and it go pow, coming back in the days. But you have to be skilled though, you know. Because the apple blossom you have to look the bamboo where the apple blossom directly fit. And when you put it on, you squeeze, me sorry. Actually, Alan busy. Next time, guys, I let Alan demonstrate to you how it goes. So see, this is how they eat it. This is a small tree though, but it's filled with blossom. So maybe next month when we come back at St. Mary, we are going to have a whole heap of apple. We are going back up the, see Daddy foot there and Uncle Murphy foot. We are going back up the hill. Going up the hill. People them catch them water and gone with some and we come back with some more. That was the little pass. But we come out from the spring now, we go further down the road. So we pass back the spring now. Oh, you hear me a blow? You hear me a blow? Yeah. We're turning up the hill. Pear tree. But the place cool. Wow. Turning up the hill. And the car them park up on my gate up there so. Dad and Uncle Murphy. Me they around here. So I'm going up the hill. Who may take out my hearing them because I have to wear my mask. I'm tired. I am tired. You see over there so dark? So over there so dark? Pure bush. Pure bush. But the people them need to know so them to come. Oh, I'm going up a hill. I'm gonna show you how steep this hill is. Oh, see the hill there, Pari. We go up on steep hill here. Oh, but it's cool though. We gotta get spring water. You see the two cars up the road? We up there so we go. And me a blow. Whew, I get a cold jelly now. So one little house there. This is one of Mama next house too. But as time go by, you all see, everything will unveil right here on the Jamaican Debbie Deb strain.
Two backwards.
So Barry, we are on our way back into the city, but we are we're still in the bush, yeah, but we are driving one different road this time. Oh, Murphy, I bound road for going here now before the 6 o'clock curfew. Yeah. We are go up Flint River, this place named Flint River. This is a pure bamboo island, something there. Uncle Murphy, take your time there, boy. Take your time there. I'm on road. Go back in our city. Alright, Parry, reach one place named Flint River now. Flint River Square. So we are heading on to we pass Flint River, we are heading on to one place named Barracks River. I like people them when no spot I said me they can't comment. Come in, Uncle Murphy, I've done road. We are heading on to Barracks River and then to Richmond. Is somebody we call Uncle Murphy know your name? You call it by?
It sounds like it's a big thing.
Yeah man, and somebody we know you. I saw you been knowing in the bush, yeah? Yeah.
So I don't know where you are.
Yeah, with that Barracks River. Then you know
if I want to Jamaica.
touch up your hand with that Barracks River now. Heading on to Richmond. Road kind of like Barry, but don't know the road not so pretty. It's not so pretty. Richmond and now Uncle Murphy I drive to beat. I just bought something to 4, don't? Yeah, beat the 6 o'clock curfew. So you can see the difference. Richmond are nearest to town. So you can see the difference. You can see more vehicle power. So reach road I prison.
I road the carrier right back to where I come from, But you see that right where I come from.
Oh, which one?
I was at the finger drive.
Go to Top Mountain there.
Top Mountain? So we make it up and make we drive to this one.
You can drive to them the road there. The road is not bad one.
So, the way you know them the road from?
They know he carry around a Richmond grass there, some and jump out.
Jesus.
Wait till the man there.
Me not even did, but me never remember. Me not remember. Hey, yo, yeah. Hold on. No sense to spend from me. Like prison that over
anyway,
there,
you
don't?
must try.
For the junction road, Barry. Hold your corner if you're a Kaba driver, you can't drive around here. Corner we say you have to hold around here, that's what junction gives. You gotta learn to hold your corner. So if you come go Jamaica, you go drive at Junction Road, you have to make sure you get a driver. We can do a Uncle Murphy.
Yeah, well, the corner.
Yeah, Uncle Murphy in a mask. Boy, sir. Yes, sir.
On the corner, you want to stay alive.
Yes, sir.